In fact, the latest that is coming in is that 3 accused have been arrested who allegedly acted as solvers in connection with the NEET paper leak case. The masterminds of the paper leak have been identified as Shashikant Paswan, who is said to be a BTech graduate from the National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur, along with 2 MBBS students who have also been apprehended by the Central Bureau of Investigation. So these are 3, the solver gang, so as to say, who've been apprehended by the Central Bureau of Investigation. Shashikant Paswan, who is said to be a BTech graduate from the National Institute of Technology, Jamshedpur. You have Kumar Mangalam, who's a second-year MBBS student, has been arrested by the Central Bureau of Investigation, along with another second-year MBBS student from Bharatpur Medical College. All 3 have been apprehended. It's said that they are said to be the key masterminds behind the NEET investigation. In fact, this, while the 3-state link has clearly been established in the NEET scam. And with that, let's put out more newsbreak coming in. This one also in connection with the NEET scam investigation. In fact, this is a 3-state link which has clearly been established in the NEET paper leak scam. This is the Gujarat link, the Jharkhand link, and the Rajasthan link that have surfaced in the entire investigation so far. In fact, note that the center, or the National Testing Agency for that matter, has already released the state-wise results of the NEET exam. Let's go across to Gopi, who has the details of this. Gopi, break it down for us. This is a clear 3-state link that's been established in the entire investigation. But first up, talk to us about the 3 accused, the 3 masterminds who've been apprehended by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Well, in fact, Samiksha, when you talk about the NEET controversy, 2 crucial arrests were made day before yesterday from Hazaribagh and Patna, where one person, Prakash Singh, was in fact involved in stealing papers from the trunk of NTA. So this was the person who in fact was stealing paper from the trunk, while the other accused was Raju Singh, who had distributed these papers which was stolen by Prakash Singh at various centers. While today CBI has made crucial arrests who happen to be the quote-unquote solvers of these NEET paper, where there is in fact a gang, as you've correctly mentioned. It's a 3-state nexus which has been busted by CBI, where we have seen that one person is stealing the paper, other is distributing the papers to various centers, while the third person is in fact solving papers and sharing answer keys with the one who have in fact paid money to the NEET UG scam which has been done by this entire gang, and where the 3-city nexus has been busted. CBI arrests have now finally come to 21 from these 3 states, which includes Jharkhand, Gujarat and Rajasthan, as you have mentioned. Back to you.
Yes, Gopi, stay with us. Just a quick follow-up question. We understand that the NTA has also released the state-wise data of the NEET exam. Break it down for us about how this is, questionable at so many levels, given that in Sikar itself, more than 4,000 students scored more than 600 marks.
Well, in fact, the result which was released, in fact, yesterday has again people are saying that it has anomalies, because even the perfect number of scores which we are learning from our sources, and the list which has been released by the NTA, the maximum number of students belong to the Haryana center. Again, Haryana center remains to be the epicenter of alleged anomalies which were found in the previous NEET UG exam, where in fact we had seen that 67 of them had received unprecedented unprecedented score in the previous NEET UG exam from where this controversy had emerged. So this is again another questionable result, and probably NTA would have to look and dig deeper into this entire matter. While there are 12 other centers where students have, as NEET aspirants have in fact received a perfect number of scores. So all needs to be looked at by the National Testing Agency, and we will have to wait and watch what is the next course of action which happens. Back to you.